Hi everyone, this is Komal from Ashirvad Jaipur. Today I am here to give you the sale collection in size 44. So for any orders or queries, contact us on 960-2265-888. I repeat, 960-2265-888 is our one and only number on which we take orders. So let's start with our first design. We have only single pieces in all the designs, so please book fast. This is in pure Malmal fabric, Naira cut. Work on the side slits, see the work on the neck, pure malmal, and this is the malmal pants with the work. Naira cut 2-piece set, and this is priced at only 1795. 1795 is the price. This is the second design in Naira cut in cotton with alia neck. See the work, see the crochet detailings. Gota detailings on the side slits. See the sleeves. Cotton pants with this. And this is priced at only 1295. 1295 is the price. Now this is a straight 2-piece set with palazzo. Just see the work on the neck. Bandage print. Blue color it is. See the pants. These are little loose pants, palazzo pants. And this is priced at only 1295. See the sleeves with the embroidery. 1295 only is the price. This is another design in cotton malmal. This is again in cotton mal with see the work embroidery on the neck, crochet tailings on the side slits, cotton pants, and only 1095 is the price. Another design in cotton. This is jute cotton with see the work, embroidery, buttons in the center, and see the palazzo pants with this. This is the palazzo with this. This is priced at only 1095. Now this is a pure muslin 2-piece set with apple cut. With see the handwork and plastic mirror work on the neck. Just see the look. This is apple cut kurta with these Afghani pants. All these designs I am showing you are 44 size. So only 44 size available. Pure muslin, inner is attached. Afghani pants, 2395 is the price. Now I'll show you 3-piece sets in cotton. This is the cotton kurta with gota patti work on the neck. This is bandage kurta, cotton, pure cotton pants. Just see the designer pants with these detailings and see the designer dupatta with this in block print. Original block print and 1795 is the price. This is another design in pure cotton with see the work, crochet tailings on the neck, see the work, crochet tailings at the bottom. These are the pants with crochet tailings and see the organza dupatta with this. This is priced at only 1695. Another design in cotton block print with see the gota patti work on the neck. This is block print kurta, Afghani pants in block print and block print dupatta with this in chanderi. Only 1495 is the price. Another design in block print with see the work on the neck, block print kurta, block print pants and original block print dupatta. Only 1695 is the price. Now this is another design in cotton lurex. This is cotton lurex with this little handwork in the center, cotton pants with this, and see the embroidered full dupatta with this. This is embroidered dupatta with work. This is again priced at 1695. Another design in cotton block print with see the embroidery and mirror work in the center. See the lacing at the sleeves, lacing at the bottom. Original block print kurta. These are the pants and block print stroll dupatta with this. This is priced at only 1495. Now this is a ikat print kurta with, see the embroidery on the neck. This is complete ikat print with gota tailings at the bottom. See the very nice pants with this embroidery and work on the pants, and pure chiffon lehriya dupatta with this. Full dupatta in lehriya. Pure chiffon. Only 1495 is the price. Now this is complete chikankari suit with, see the complete embroidery. This is all embroidery and not the print. Everywhere it is embroidery on the sleeves. See the designer pants with this. These are the pants. This is the pant and this is the top over it. These are the designer pants. And see the net dupatta with complete embroidery. So this is a very nice heavy suit and only 1695 is the price. Now this is a rayon fabric suit. This is a rayon kurta with, see the work on the neck, little work all over. This comes with this pants in rayon with this work and cotton mal dupatta with this. This is priced at only 1295. Only 1295 is the price. Now this is another design in short kurta in cotton with, see the lacing in the center. These are the pom-poms on the side slits. Pakistani sleeves with these pom-poms on the sleeves. See the pants with this work on the pants and kota roriya dupatta with this. This is priced at only 1895. This is another design in cotton with this embroidery all over. This is the crochet tailings and all over is the embroidery. This is all embroidered. These are the Afghani pants with crochet tailings and malmal dupatta with crochet tailings. This is priced at only 1695. Now few designs in muslin I'll show you. This is in Modal muslin with, see the work, gotapatti work, original mirror work. This is gotapatti with original mirror work. This is muslin fabric, muslin pants, and see the chiffon dupatta with this, with sequence work all over on the dupatta. So this is the dupatta with this. And 44 size and price is only 1795. Only 1795 is the price. This is another design in muslin fabric, pure muslin with this sequence work, little hand work, muslin pants with this, with embroidery on the pants, and pure chiffon dupatta with this. This is priced at only 1695. Print on the sleeves also. Now this is another design in muslin fabric. See the very nice print with this gotapatti work, little embroidery, gota tailings on the side slits, muslin pants, and chiffon dupatta. This is priced at only 2095. This was 2695 earlier. 2095 is the price. This is another design in pure muslin with this plastic mirror work all over in the center, crochet tailings on the side slits. This is a short kurta with these pants, designer pants cut in the center, and pure chiffon dupatta with this. This is also priced at 1995 only. Pure, again a pure muslin fabric suit with this embroidery in the center. This is pure muslin, very nice soft fabric with this cotton inner and muslin pants, and see the very nice muslin dupatta with this work. This is priced at only 1895. Another design in pure muslin with this gotapatti work and embroidery, crochet tailings at the bottom. This is pure muslin pants, and chiffon dupatta with this. Pure chiffon dupatta. 1995 is the price. Again a pure muslin fabric suit on bandage print with little mirror work all over. This is bandage kurta, cotton inner attached. These are muslin pants with inner attached, and see the dupatta with embroidery. This is priced at only 1995. Now this is a chanderi kurta with this embroidery all over on the kurta. A cotton inner is attached with this on chanderi. This is a soft chanderi. These are the pants with little work on the pants, and malmal dupatta with this. Only 1795 is the price. Tassels on both the sides. Only 1795 is the price. This is another design in chanderi with, see the embroidery all over. See the Mukesh and embroidery all over on the kurta. Inner attached, chanderi pants, and pure chiffon dupatta with this. Again, this is priced at 1895 only. Now this is a shibori print kurta in chinon fabric. This is a shibori kurta with this work in the center, pom-pom laces on the sides, cotton inner attached. See the pants with crochet tailings and pure chiffon dupatta with this. This is priced at only 2295. This is another design in shibori with, see the handwork all over on the top, cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and pure chiffon dupatta. Only 2195 is the price. Only one design in organza. This is organza, pure organza. Print is there. See the work on the neck, cotton inner attached, muslin pants, and pure organza dupatta with this. This is the organza dupatta with this. This is priced at only 2195. Now few designs in Naira print. Naira, I'll show you. Alia. Naira cut. Few designs I'll show you in Naira cut. This is a Naira cut kurta in cotton with this embroidery on the neck, embroidery on the sleeves, embroidery on the side slits. This is a block print kurta. See the cut work at the bottom. This is a very nice design in cotton with, see the lacing on the pants, and see the dupatta. The dupatta is also heavy with this border on the all four sides. Block print cotton Naira cut suit. This is priced at 2295. It was 2995 earlier. Now it is 2295. This is again a Naira cut suit in malmal, pure malmal fabric with this embroidery in the center. See the lacing at the bottom. This is pure mal kurta, cotton pants with these lacing, and pure chiffon dupatta with this. Dual shade dupatta with these laces. Only 1995 is the price. We have two colors in this. One is this yellow, and second we have is this blue color. So we have two colors in this, yellow and blue. Only 2295 is the price. This is again a Naira cut suit with this embroidery on the neck, on the sleeves, lacing in the center. See the heavy lacing at the bottom. These are the pants with these heavy laces. So this gives a very heavy look after wearing. And this is the dupatta with this, with these lacing on the sides. With this potli bag is there. This is priced at only 2295. Only 2295 for this heavy Naira cut suit. Again a Naira cut suit in muslin with this work on the neck, lacing on the side slits, muslin pants with this work on the pants, tassels on the side slits, and pure chiffon dupatta with this. This is priced at only 1995. Another design in Naira cut with this embroidery on the neck, on the side slits, embroidery on the sleeves. These are the muslin pants, and see the dupatta. Fully worked dupatta. Only 1995 is the price. See the dupatta. Cut work dupatta. Only 1995 is the price. Now I'll show you few designs in sharara. This is a peplum sharara with this handwork on the neck. This is peplum kurta. This is sleeveless. Sleeves are there inside, and this comes with this dhoti pants. This comes with this dhoti pants. So dhoti pants and peplum kurta and pure chiffon dupatta with this. This is priced at only 1795. Only 1795 is the price. Another design in this peplum kurta with alia neck. See the gota detailings at the bottom. This comes with this beautiful sharara with gota detailings and organza dupatta with this. Only 2195 is the price. Earlier it was 3495. Only 2195. We have two prints. One is this and second is this. This is again a alia neck kurta, and this is the sharara and organza dupatta with this. Only 2195 is the price. This is another design. Uncle, आप वहाँ से दिखाना शुरू कर दो. फैब्रिक देखना है. राहुल आगे. मैम आप ऊपर आ जाइए. ऊपर. फर्स्ट फ्लोर. Now this is another design in peplum kurta with this handwork neck. This is again alia neck with this peplum kurta and sharara. Only 44 size available in these, and this is the chiffon dupatta with this. Only 2695 for this pure muslin fabric suit. Only one design in skirt and top. This is the skirt and this is the top. Kaftan style top, loose with this to tie in the center with work on the top. This is priced at only 1895. Few designs and dresses. Few designs and dresses. Now this is a fully flared dress. See the dress and the flare. See the work in the center, work on the sleeves. This is priced at only 1495. This is a one-piece dress with these tassels. Only 1495 is the price. Another design in this dress. This is on malmal fabric. That was cotton. This is pure mal with this embroidery in the center. See the sleeves. Only 1295 is the price. Now this is a cotton dress again. See the flare with this embroidery in the center on organza, and these are the sleeves with this Kota Doria dupatta. Dress and dupatta only 1495 is the price. Again a dress and a dupatta. This is a cotton anarkali. See angrakha neck anarkali with this work at the bottom on block print. And this is a block print malmal dupatta with this. This is priced at only 2295. Now this is again anarkali kurta, block print pants, and Kota Doria dupatta with this. Only 1595 is the price. This is again a two-piece set in cotton with block print. This is a cotton kurta with block print all over on the kurta, And this comes with this block print dupatta, contrast dupatta. Only 1795 is the price. Again a cotton anarkali suit in malmal with the work, angrakha neck, buttons on the sides, malmal pants, and block print mal dupatta with this. And only 1795 is the price for this. Now this is a muslin anarkali suit with this gotai tailings in the center, muslin pants with this, and kota doria contrast dupatta with this. And only 1795 is the price. Another design in muslin anarkali in bandage print with see the gotapatti work and embroidery. These are the pants, leheria pants and leheria muslin stroll dupatta with this. Only 2095 is the price. Another design in muslin. This is again angrakha neck, muslin kurta, plain pants and pure chiffon dupatta with this. Only 2095 is the price. And at the end, the one I am wearing is a chanderi suit with heavy neck, heavy dupatta. I'll quickly show you. We have two colors in this. This is a chanderi kurta with work, plain pants with this, cotton, and see the dupatta. Fully worked dupatta. This is priced at only 2295 and we have two colors in this, green and mustard. Two colors, green and mustard. You will also get sizes in this one. Rest all I showed you were 44 size. In this you will get all the sizes. And this is priced at only 2295. Thank you so much everyone.